From the moment that I met you, something shifted in my heart. Like the universe was whispering, this is where your story starts. I was searching through the darkness, trying hard to find the sun. Then you came into my life, and I knew you were the one. Every breath feels so much softer when your name is in the air. Every dream feels so much brighter knowing you'll be standing there. Even if the world gets heavy, even if the nights grow long, you're the only one